Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my college night routine. So normally I like to go for some sort of walk, whether it's actually to go get food or just walk around my campus. It's super pretty. We have lots of green grass, gazebos, and then even this really pretty pond. So normally after I finish my walk, I will just head back up to my dorm. And then this is my fish, Stella, so of course I have to stop and say hi to her. And then this night I decided to go down to my lobby to get some homework done. So I just took my laptop and I'm just rewriting some notes from anatomy while I watch. Oh, I can't even think of her name right now. But yeah, so here I am just doing my notes. So after a little bit of studying, it was getting somewhat late and I still had some other stuff to do. So I just decided to pack everything up and head back up to my dorm room. Here I am saying hi to my fish again. I honestly love her so much, you guys. It's ridiculous. She's a fish, but she's wonderful. So here I am just starting to do like my cleanup for the night before I get in bed. So I hang up my keys so I don't lose them. And then I'm just going to do the dishes. And this part's kind of long. Oh, I start my diffuser. But the dishes part is kind of long in this video, but I figured it could be like some cleaning motivation for you guys. And this diffuser is from Walmart. I absolutely love it. I take my jewelry off, and here's the montage of me doing a ton of dishes. So, and I would have sped it up faster, but this app only lets me do 2 times. So if you want to fast forward, that's cool. But if you need some cleaning motivation, here you go. So we don't really have a counter space for me to leave my dishes out to dry. So once I'm done washing them, I will just put them where they go. And then here I am just packing up my dish cleaning supplies and putting that away. My roommate's doing her thing right there. And then I would grab some of my Clorox wipes and just wipe out the container that I put my dishes in, just in case there's anything nasty in there. Don't want to leave that in there. And then there I am putting those away. And then I'm gonna make some ice. So my roommate likes to eat ice. She's actually anemic, and then I just like to have cold water. So it's kind of a chore, but it's okay. So here I am making my ice. And then we use a Brita water pitcher, so here I am just refilling that. It doesn't quite fit in my sink, so I'm just using a cup and making a mess per usual. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. And then this is the time that I kind of start my self-care. So I'm just taking off my makeup today. I wasn't wearing a lot. And this is just some cellular water. I think that's how you say it. Just to remove my mascara. So I only ended up showing one eye because I felt like it was kind of boring. And then I'm gonna go hop in the shower. So our shower is super small, but it's okay. You know, we make it work. So we actually share our bathroom with the girl next to us. Oh, there's my shower caddy. So I just lock both doors, start the water. It takes a minute to get warm. And then I'm gonna hop in and do my thing. And here I am, all clean and ready to go. And I grab my shower caddy. It's not big enough for me to leave in there, so I just, put it on the counter. And then I'll just head back into the bathroom, grab my dirty clothes, make sure everything's good to go, lights off, her door's unlocked, etc. And then I'll take care of my stuff in my room. So here I am just picking out my pajamas and then heading back into the closet to change. So here I will just make sure that the door is locked. I'll shut the closet door. And here I'm just gonna have a snack. So I take a lot of vitamins and stuff at night, and I just don't want to get a stomach ache. So here I am just having some milk and cereal before bed. So I do take birth control just to help control my period. There I'm taking some melatonin. I've actually been on birth control since I was 14 because of how bad my periods are. And then here I am just taking like some hair, skin, and nail vitamins. Those taste so bad, you guys, but it's okay. And then here I'm taking some calcium and vitamin D. Yeah. And then here I am taking a daily vitamin. I take the calcium and vitamin D because I have been vitamin D deficient and I don't really like dairy products. So here I am, trying. So normally while this is going on, my roommate Stevie's just getting in bed and we're talking about our day. Oh, and that's just a cup of water. And we're talking about tomorrow or funny things that have happened. Just catching up a little bit. And yeah, we're just hanging out. So I totally didn't show me getting in bed or anything. So that's it. Good night, guys.